If I went around to everyone at your company and asked them, what do you do? Do you think I would come away with the impression that they all worked at the same company? Often, what I find when I talk to several people at a company is that their messages aren't aligned and it doesn't really sound like they all work at the same place. Now, of course, every employee needs to put their introduction or their elevator speech in their own words or put their particular spin on it. But the message needs to be aligned. It needs to sound like you all work at the same company. This is just one example of what we cover in my training on how to write and deliver a great elevator speech. If this sounds like a training that maybe you could use, give me a call or send me an email at gigi@gigirosenberg.com and let's talk. Hope to hear from you soon. Bye for now.